My life is a blast of growing opportunity because I never stop creating. This quote I have adopted in my book, which you could see at the backdrop, The Power of Nine Rules to Accelerate Growth, Blueprint for Business Leaders to Ask and Receive. This book is a combination of how to apply business strategy in your business. If you are a business entrepreneur, if you are a startup leader, or if you are a CEO, and how to attract the theory of law of attraction and how to practice it. When both the things are powerful. On one hand, you have business strategy. On other hand, you have the powerful tool of law of attraction. When both the things comes together, the miracle happens. And miracle never happens every day. But when miracle happens, it gives lot of boost. It gives lot of encouragement. It gives lot of inspiration to the business leaders who believes that they can create different opportunities every new day. Yes, while we have seen there are people who never come across any opportunity, whereas there are other people who come across several opportunities and they grab it. Because the fact remains, the secret of creating opportunities is largely dependent upon how you approach your life, how you approach your business, how you approach any of the pain areas or the challenges in your business, in your life, in your relationship. The fact remains one has to really develop a warrior mindset. One has to develop the winner's mindset. And this is the mindset which is also called growth mindset. The kind of mindset that we develop in our mind, it really helps you to create new opportunities and your life become a life of abundance. Here, I would like to stretch one point. Opportunities are everywhere. The fact is, do you have the focus eyes? Do you have a focus approach to look at those invisible opportunities and make it visible? The moment you make it visible, you try to grab it and then you put your best, your perseverance, your determination, and your commitment, and of course, your passion. When you put all these ingredients in that opportunity become a new milestone for your business, for your life, for your relationship, and so on. One has to really take it forward by focusing on those milestones. Those milestones will keep on coming, but very few of us they know how to grab those milestones. Let rest will allow it to go. My name is Suresh Shetty. I'm a business growth coach. I'm an author. My both the books are Amazon bestseller. And the first book, The Power of Nine Rules to Accelerate Growth, Blueprint for Business Leaders to Ask and Receive. I have given several quotes, like one which I have mentioned about Catherine Huss. The fact is that if you are looking forward to grow your business, you have to have that particular mindset, and that mindset is called warrior mindset. When you act like a warrior, everything becomes possible. Or every impossible thing, every areas where you feel I can't, you'll be able to make it happen by saying I can. If you are looking forward for the strong support for your business to grow, you can simply go to the description, fill up the Google form, and submit the form. I will promise you that I would like to give you 20 minutes free complimentary discovery session with you, where we'll be able to find out what are your challenges, what is the SWOT analysis of your business, your organization, and your leadership team. And then we'll be able to create a charter, new passage, new navigation map for your business, and we'll take your business to the next level by ensuring that everything is empowered within your business, your organization, your team, your stakeholders, and finally yourself as a business leader. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by giving your likes and your comments. And very important aspects, also suggest the topics of paramount importance for you that will help us to understand what are you are looking from, and then it will really help us to add those topics, and we'll be able to present those topics before you. Thank you.